Munesh Jadon incorporated ZNet Technologies as a private limited company in December 2009 with its headquarters in Jaipur. At this point, the ZNet Live brand formally took shape. The foundation was laid for success as ZNet Live moved to a 4-storied office in Jaipur and expanded its team to a total of 43 employees. The customer support from that point onwards was handled in-house 24/7 by 365, which becomes a specialty of ZNet. ZNet started developing software to manage its own business in terms of provisioning, billing, etc. The seeds for RackNav were sown right then. By 2010, the company began taking baby steps in the corporate world. ZNet closed partnerships with Smarter Tools and Rackspace. ZNet signed up to Microsoft Services Provider License Agreement (SPLA), which enabled ZNet to sell Microsoft products and customized services as bundled offerings to its end customers. In 2010, ZNet won its first major award. It was recognized among Deloitte Technology Fast 500 Asia Pacific 2010 winners as one of the 500 fastest growing technology companies in Asia. 2011 proved to be a significant year for ZNet as it became a certified Parallels Gold partner in India. Parallels was a global leader in virtualization and automation software. Once again, ZNet was recognized as one of the 50 fastest growing technology companies in India as it won the Deloitte Technology Fast 50 India 2011 Winners Award. In May of 2012, ZNet became an ICANN accredited domain registrar. A big accomplishment, as ICANN is a big name that ensures the stability of the internet system of assigned names and numbers and gave the much needed credibility. ZNet again proved its commitment to lead highly competitive technology market as in October 2012 it got certified by Microsoft as an SMB specialist and obtained Microsoft Gold hosting competency. In 2014, ZNet gained more business grounds in India and in February it was certified as a Gold partner by GlobalSign to offer premium security solutions to the global markets. Then came the turning point in ZNet's success history. It became first cloud solutions provider partner of Microsoft in Rajasthan and one of the first in India. This helped ZNet to take cloud solutions to small and medium businesses in India. To raise awareness about cloud computing and increase cloud adoption in India, ZNet organized 7 events around the country during 2015 and 2016, including the nationwide Cloud Connect and World Cloud Summit. More than 1,000 plus partners participated in it. ZNet achieved another major milestone in January of 2017 and launched its in-house cloud service delivery and business automation platform, RackNav, after success of its pilot launch in 2016. 2018 began on a high with ZNet becoming an authorized distributor of Plesk in India in May. Then came a slew of awards in 2018 that proved that ZNet is progressing in the right direction. July saw ZNet win IAM-CPP 2P award for a PAC region at Microsoft Inspire 2018 in Las Vegas, USA. ZNet was chosen as a winner for enabling Microsoft partners in increasing consumption of Microsoft cloud services in the region with RackNav. Come September 2018 and ZNet won the CRN Excellence Award under the IP Creation category at Goa, India. ZNet wins this award again for its IP, RackNav. In October 2018, ZNet Technologies won SME Channels Award in the Application Specialist category at New Delhi, India for RackNav. In January 2019, ZNet was acquired by RP Tech India, which was among the top 5 distributors in India. RP Tech had pan-India presence and field staff across 50 plus physical offices. Cloud offerings became a part of portfolio of RP Tech. This enabled ZNet to provide its cutting-edge cloud solutions to enterprise and SMB customers. April 2019 saw ZNet taking another giant leap with it becoming an authorized service provider of Acronis in India. With this, ZNet starts offering Acronis backup and cybersecurity solutions to resellers. In November 2019, ZNet became an authorized distributor of Cloud Linux in India and starts selling its full range of services. In December 2019, ZNet became an authorized distributor of Alibaba Cloud in India. With it, ZNet started offering full range of Alibaba Cloud solutions to partners in India to drive cloud adoption.